Hi there, and welcome to the Govie platform, also known as the dashboard. Here you will create your own interactive 3D presentations, manage your workspaces, or organize your files in the media library. Let's start on the top left. Here you'll see the current workspace you're in. Once you click on it, you get an overview of all the owned and collaborative workspaces. Think of a workspace like a folder containing all your projects and project files. Depending on your plan, you can invite others to your workspace to share it with them and work together on the same project at the same time. Currently, there are two types of plans: a workspace license and a private license. The private license is free to use and offers a full feature set to you. The workspace license makes it possible to work in a team and publish commercial Govies. The Govie Projects tab gives you a list of all existing projects. Clicking on the hamburger menu will show a list of things you can do with the Govie. Open in Govie Editor is the same as clicking the icon. In the editor, you create your Govies by adding in slides, setting up your camera positions, or layouting your 2D content. View Draft will show the current state of your Govie project in a new tab. Here you will get a preview of your Govie in presentation mode. This is what your audience will see when they open up the share link. Share Draft allows to share the current state of your Govie. Check Set Active to generate a share link that can easily be copied by clicking on the icon right to it. There is also an option to protect that share link with a password. You can send that link to everyone you like, but keep in mind that the link always leads to the newest version, so every change you make will be visible to everyone who owns the link. Publish Govie lets you generate a snapshot of the current state. No matter what changes you make afterwards, your audience will always see that published version. To publish the current state, click the big red Publish button. Now the buttons change to View and Update. Use View to preview the published snapshot and Update to create a new version of it. Like in the Shared Draft menu, a generated link will show up below. In addition to sharing a draft just via link, now there's also an option to embed that published snapshot as an iframe into other web pages, like your homepage for instance. Also, you might want to download your Govie and play it offline. Well, you can do that now. Click Download and choose a location for the Govie file. Now, download and install the Govie player for your operating system. Rename is pretty self-explanatory. Here you can rename your project title or add in a description to it. The next item in line is Duplicate Govie. As you might suggest, this makes a copy of the Govie. That's handy in case you want to change something and need a backup of the old project. It's also useful when there is a template project where you just want to exchange content. If you are the lucky owner of a workspace license, there will also be an option to copy or move your Govie to another workspace where you can share it with other co-workers. Delete Govie will erase the project from the list, but all your media files are kept for later use.